Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the history and significance of the 10-cent coin from Singapore, specifically the 1989 edition. This small piece of currency holds a rich story reflective of Singapore's economic and political journey. Let's explore the background, design, and historical context of this coin. In 1989, Singapore was well into its transformation from a small trading post to a thriving global financial hub. The nation, which gained independence in 1965, had rapidly industrialized and modernized over the preceding decades. The 1980s, particularly, were a period of significant economic growth and development. The 10-cent coin from 1989 was part of the Singapore Mint series that reflected both the country's progress and its identity. This particular coin was part of a set of coins that were designed to be practical for daily transactions, catering to the growing needs of a modernizing economy. The 1989 10-cent coin features several distinctive elements. The obverse side of the coin depicts the profile of Singapore's first president, Yusof bin Ishak. Yusof Ishak played a crucial role in Singapore's early years of independence and is remembered for his contributions to the nation's foundation. The inscription around his portrait reads, Yusof bin Ishak, and the year of minting, 1989, is also featured on this side. The reverse side showcases a traditional design element. It prominently features the denomination, 10 cents, with the national crest of Singapore displayed above. The national crest, also known as the state crest, includes a lion and a tiger holding a shield, symbolizing the nation's strength and heritage. The words Singapore and the coin's denomination are engraved around the crest. The coin is made of nickel brass, a common material for currency due to its durability and resistance to corrosion. Its edge is smooth, contributing to its practical usage in everyday transactions. The 10-cent coin of 1989, like other denominations of Singapore's currency, was an essential part of the country's effort to establish a standardized monetary system that facilitated both local and international trade. The coin's design, featuring a significant figure from Singapore's history and a national symbol, reflects the importance of national identity and pride in the country's currency. Moreover, the issuance of this coin was part of a broader strategy to modernize Singapore's currency, incorporating elements that represent the nation's growth while honoring its past. It served not only as a medium of exchange, but also as a symbol of Singapore's continued progress and unity. In conclusion, the 10-cent coin from Singapore minted in 1989 is more than just a small piece of currency. It represents a pivotal era in Singapore's history, reflecting both its achievements and aspirations. Through its design and the figures it commemorates, this coin connects Singaporeans with their past, while also standing as a testament to the nation's ongoing journey towards economic prosperity and cultural pride. Thank you for joining me in exploring the history of the 10-cent Singapore coin from 1989. I hope you found this journey through Singapore's numismatic history enlightening and informative.